Hello everyone, Mike here. Hey, today's Friday. I'm pretty sure you're happy about that fact just by itself. But today's not just any Friday. Today is my Friday off. Yep, I get to work a fantastic schedule where every other Friday I have off. What's even more awesome about the fact that I have this Friday off is the fact that I have a chance to live out a masterpiece day. Don't know what that is? Let me fill you in. A masterpiece day is a day where you design what you do and when you do it. And the crazy awesome thing about doing this is I get to do the things that make me the best version of me. That allow me to do the things where I feel fulfilled. Today is awesome because I've done the things that I think are awesome. So here is a summarized version of my masterpiece day. I wake up naturally, help the kids get ready for school. When they're off and ready for school, I get to work doing deep work, creative stuff like this video and writing and whatever else I deem creative. Today I worked on a computer along with doing stuff like this. It was awesome. So once I'm done doing that, then I move into actually moving and get my exercise on and feel good and take care of myself that way. Then I do some reading, do some meditation, prep the dinner for the evening, and whatever I do, I make sure all my stuff is out of the way before the kids get home so that when they get home, I'm present in there with them. I'm not off in my head working on some other thing. I'm there with them. And then we do our family routine evening stuff. Eat dinner together, play some games, watch some optimized stuff, meditate, read a book, get ready for bed, rinse, repeat, do it again. If I could. But I can't. I get one shot every other week. Because Saturday and Sunday I've got the morning down, but the rest of the day I can't really plan. So, what would a masterpiece day look like for you? And what would that day include? Do you think that you could be living a better life today if you actually sat down and thought about the things that make you an awesome person? Go ahead and do that. And when you do it, I guarantee you'll have a better day today while getting better for tomorrow. That's it for me today. See ya.